Good evening to one and all. Dear Dr. Jaya Bhaskar, Dr. Bharati, Madhavi, Dr. Chandrasekhar, Dr. Mubarak, Kavya and Chow, the men's hostel secretary, because I am very good in remembering the girls' names. That itself you have understood, rather than a little poor in young boys' names. Okay? Yes. Pardon me, and the faculty and the guests who are in this auditorium, and my dear students. East or west? What is your next word? Yes. Good. Because I am 64. So at the age of 4 years, I have seen the college coming up. Agree? Yes? So, from that point, I have seen this institute, how it has grown, and I stayed in this institute right from 73 to 2013, nearly 40 years I stayed here. And I know that each and every corner of it and how it was growing, even a tree also, so how it has grown. And where are the water wells, how they have dug, the bore wells. And then after seeing all these things and having worked as a faculty for 30 years in this institute, of 36 years of my academic experience, 30 years I have spent here. And then my parents have given me birth. And this institute has given me an identity as a professional and taught me or mentored me with the values. Values in the profession, values as a woman, and values as a person as a whole. So this I could get it under the mentorship of great stalwarts who are my professors, starting from my own department, anatomy, Dr. Prabhakar Raju, physiology, Dr. Somasundram Garu, biochemistry, AVSS Ramarao, and then like that, so many clinical people. So under whose guidance we were nurtured, and then this environment has facilitated, nature nurtures, and then the mentors, the teachers with their discipline, self-discipline, and then the concern for the people, concern for the students. That's what they have shown us, and they have taught us to be concerned with the students. And in that brought up we have come up, and this institute, I feel I owe a lot to this institute, and I was telling, so I have learned a lot in this institute, which I could use that whatever I have learned, the various skills, the etiquettes, whatever you call it, that I could preach to the institute that was established adjacent to it. So I could do what the best I could do as a faculty of this institute. And then establishing identity is very important. Okay, so that can be established only during the formative years, that is before 20, whatever is there. So we tell in anatomy also by 20, 21 you will complete your growth, physical growth. So that mental growth, and then how we want to be as a person, that will be formulated before the 20 years and with your effort only. Not that you cannot learn after that. At 60, at whatever age one can learn, if it is something is good. At my age also, because I am thinking I will live for 100 years. If I have that confidence and motivation to live for 100 years, so if there is some change has to be brought in me, I should be prepared to do it if it is for good. And then we have seen the Vivekananda statue. What did he say? What did he say? Anything that makes you weak physically, mentally, and spiritually, reject it as a poison. Okay, take all of them in the right sense, because I use the word spiritual, don't take it in the other way. Okay, that's more important for this generation of you. And then I wanted to tell you one thing is, this is the stage during which you have to develop a personality of dignity, discipline, honesty, being methodical, being meticulous. So before 2021, you have to do it. And then I would like to say, what is the difference between being absolutely right and being relatively right? Can any one of you define? Will you tell each and everything to your parent? Will you share with them? Yes, you will share with them. So, you will share if you are not well, you will share. Yes? And then how you are reading, you will share. Will you share that you have bunked the classes? You have, and that's good. Okay. So, being absolutely right is telling everything to the parent. Yes? And then relatively right is hiding them. You yourself is hiding something. Why? Did you question anybody who is doing it? Because your consciousness says that what you are doing is wrong. What you are doing is wrong. So, follow the right path. Okay? Follow the right path. And then regarding the hostel life. Okay? So now they said it is clean and green. Okay? It's all your effort. Today, how it was made clean and green is because of all your effort. Well, you can practice the same thing during your regular course also. And hostels, they were built only for a smaller group. Then with advancing ages, admissions have increased and the number of students that are getting admitted or increasing day by day. And then the facilities cannot improve like that. And another thing is we have come here from different brought-ups and then different socio-economic strata. And the government hostels are meant for maintaining a particular level, basic minimum needs. That with that attitude, they have idea they could spend money and do it. And some of the things, even the person who is staying in a hut also is able to keep it clean. So keeping clean is in our hands. This is what I used to tell to the younger generation. And you may be getting bored in the hostels because of the condition of the rooms, and then you were telling the rules, and then which you are feeling it, that are irking you, and you wanted to have some freedom. Okay, freedom is required for all of us. Okay, we are not prisoners. That I agree. Freedom is required. But why the rules are there? Because to keep everyone in a similar way, to make them walk in a particular way. So when we follow the driving license, to obtain them some rules, traffic rules are there. And if you want to catch a train, you follow some rule. A train will not wait for you. There is a rule for that. So, like that hostels also, the rules are meant for guiding you, the youngsters in a proper direction. That is the one. And as all of you have said, this is the place where you can share, you can care, okay, you can enjoy. Okay, all these are there. This is a family away from the family. And you can do begging, borrowing, all those things. Fight. And there are certain situations I have seen as a warden. Okay, so there I did not have a good name as a warden because I follow my principles, which many of them may not like it. But still, there are people who has followed the rules. And I can give you some anecdotes also. Okay, so because they don't like some of the students, they have written an anonymous letter to me stating that I will inform your husband that you are having a foreign written boyfriend. Okay, that was the type of students we have seen. Okay, and I know who are those mischievous children. Okay, so later on they have realized when I have saved them when they are in critical situations because of their innocence. Nobody will do it anything wantonly. Out of ignorance or innocence only you will do it without knowing the consequences. As elders, as parents, or the local parents, till the parents come and take your responsibility. You have to take that responsibility. That's what we used to feel. And then they have all settled happily. They have settled happily. And then my advice to all of you is establish a lifelong contact with your friends, hostel friends. Because our batch, 73-74 batch, we are 100 people joined, and now around 85 people are leaving, and we meet frequently, and every day we are in contact with one another because of that contact which we established some 40 years ago. And the caring and sharing should continue in case of need. They are helping. If one of us needs any help, any kind of help, my friends are there to help me. That was the situation. And my advice to all of you is keep your mind under your control, and then keep yourself mobile. Mobility is more important. Do exercise, and then you know in the profession what are all the risks of sedentary life, and then the proper food habits, and then the other one that is parents, and then be methodical, and then be appropriate to the occasion, and be compassionate. Be passionate for something, okay? Be passionate, and then have compassion also in this profession. And then the way you dress also, it influences your profession. So give values, ethical values, which are the need of the hour. And then do some meditation, self-introspection. I don't say that meditation is self-introspection. Sit in calmly and think what you have done today and what you are expected to do and what you have done. That will change your attitude for a good thing. And I wish you all a very happy life, and then thank you for inviting me on this occasion. Thank you.
For sharing your knowledgeable ideas. We are really fortunate to have you here, madam. Now we'll proceed with the most awaiting program, which is prize distribution. I request all the prize winners to come close to the dais. Now I request our beloved chief guest of today's evening, Dr. Subhadra Devi Madam, to hand over the awards to the prize winners. A side took a 15, B Nikhila took a 15. Runners, Archita took a 16, Sindhura took a 16. I request all the prize winners to come close to the dais, please. Archita took a 16, Sindhura took a 16.
Take minute winners from 2K15 batch: Vinisha, A Nikhila, Sangeeta, B Nikhila, Nandini.
Sushmita Saran, K. Sushmita, Divya Lakshmi. Hand over the awards to the prize winners.
Ujjwala from 2016, Mehna Sharma from 15 batch, Akshaya from 15 and Vasavi from 15 batch.
అడిగి వెళ్తున్నారా ఉందా
Second prize, Mehna Sharma from 2015 batch.
ఆల్రెడీ యుద్ధంలోనే ఉన్నాను.
Third prize, Akshaya from 2015 batch.
వస్తా
And fourth prize, Vasavi from 2015 batch.
Suman 2K16 batch. Sri Krishna from 2K15, Kartiban from 2K19, and fourth prize goes to Aena 2K15 batch. Please give a good hand to them.
From 2K15 batch, DJ Priyanka, K. Sai, Serenia, Alekia, Supreta, Cherishma, Supriya, Yamini, Sushmita, Nandini, Vasavi, V. Tejashwini, M. Tejashwini.
Top 4 runners 2K15 batch by Bindu, Mehnaz Sharma, Ruth Abhigna, Sushmita Saran, A. Nikila, C. Nikila, Sushmita, Maunika, B. Bhavani, Varshita, Sangeeta, Vinisha, Sweta, Sneha. Loka, Soma Geetika, Sri Lakshmi, Bhavita.
Let's pay homage to these guys who we like to call pioneers.
Gayatri from 2015, Mehnan Sharfa from 2015.
Thank you, sir and madam. Now I request Rao Mubarak madam to give over the prizes to the winners. Winners 15 batch Charishma, Saranya, Hemsai, Sangeeta, Nandini, B.R. Kamya, Alekhya and Supraja. Encourage our participants with a big hand.
Fauziya, Maunika, Mehnan Sharfa, Tulasi, Tejaswini, Akshaya, Sadhana.
Carol singles winners Supraja Bai 2015 batch, runners Alekhya 2015 batch.
Doubles winners Bhanushree and Siri. Runners Bharani and Sandhya from 2015 batch. Rangan Sandeep Nayak.
For Dr. Radhika Anand to give away prizes to the winners. Doubles winners Robert Santosh. Rafi Rajshekhar.
Winners 2K16 batch Sunita, Yashoda, Vinila, Nikila and Sirisha.
ఆడేను వాళ్ళ డౌట్ వాళ్ళు అంటారా ఎక్కి ఇంకా మేము గెలుతుంది
Damsharan's runners Fauzia, Maunika, Divyalakshmi, Kavya, Vidya from 2K15 batch.
Give them a good hand. The cultural participants, please come on to the backstage. Now I request Professor and HOD Department of Psychiatry and Dr. Ramaman sir of Forensic Medicine to give away the prizes. Please come on to the dais, sir, in giving away the prizes.
Sarita, Tejaswini, Sadhana. Nehna, Sarita, Tejaswini and Sadhana. Soni. Winners of Rangoli, please come here on the stage.
Roshna, Himaja, Dharmika and Manisha. All are
batch 2K15 batch R. Shushmita, Sony Zion, Ruby Y. Hindu. 2K
Rangoli Consolation Prize goes to 2015 batch Fauzia, Maulika, Tulasi, Vinita, Shrija. Please give them a good hand. That's not a good hand. Please encourage our participants with a good hand. Another consolation prize from 2016 batch Harika, Prashanti, Jahnavi and Indu. Harika, Prashanti, Jahnavi and Indu. Dr. Jamuna Madam to distribute the prizes. Shuttle, Archita, 2K16 batch and Sindhura, 2K16 batch.
A small airing for our beloved Mubarak madam on her birthday.
A very happy birthday.
Hi Mom, happy birthday. I wish I was there to say this in person, but still I'm very happy you have such an extended family with your college and the hostel. I feel happy about the sweet things these kids are doing for you. I love you Mom, take care, stay young, stay happy, I adore you a lot.
A very happy birthday to you, Madam. Now I feel very much honored to invite our esteemed chief guest for felicitation. Dr. believes in impossible, the one who is never deterred by obstacles, the one who is ready to surge ahead of all. Dr. V. Shubhadra Devi Madam, ex-professor and vice principal of Sri Venkateshwara Medical College.
వాటర్ కావాలి
I request our principal, Dr. Jayabhaskar Madam, to felicitate our esteemed chief guest of today's evening, Drushya 2K19.
ఏం చేయండి తేడా వస్తాను చూడండి తేడా వస్తాను ముందుకెళ్ళి కనబడు
Please give a big hand for the dignitaries of the dance.
For so many years. So, madam, warden for 16 years. Give her a big applause. And madam is very well known for her discipline, for her sincerity, regularity in everything she does.
రెడ్డినా
Madam has authored. I wanted to tell that before her introduction. Madam has got a book on her name. She has printed a book on anatomy, and she has done lot of research, guided so many postgraduates and PhD students in anatomy, which is not very easy. So, madam is like a mother to me, because I have followed her advices many times. She has advised me on not only the subject, administration. I have taken so many guidelines from her. And thank you so much, madam, for coming to our college. It is your college. So, thank you so much, ma'am.
ఇప్పటికే
Thanks. HOD Department of Anatomy SPMC, ex-professor and vice principal of SVMC. Our esteemed principal, Dr. Javaskar Madam, principal and additional DME SVMC, revered superintendent of SVRGH Hospital, Dr. Srinivas, assistant professor of orthopedics, respected superintendent of GMH, Dr. T. Bharati Madam, professor and HOD Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, our beloved student coordinator, Dr. Madhavi Kondeti Madam, professor and HOD Department of Biochemistry, respected wardens of Men's Hostel, Dr. Chandrasekhar Sir, professor and HOD Department of ENT, revered warden of Women's Hostel, Dr. Mubarak Madam, assistant professor of Physiology Department, SVMC, and heads of various departments, staffs, my dear colleagues, seniors, juniors, parents, and everyone present over here. I deem it a privilege to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of management, staff, students, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks. At the outset, I express my deep sense of gratitude to our Chief Guest, Dr. Subhadra Devi Madam, for gracing this function in spite of her extremely busy schedule. Thank you, Madam, for sparing your valuable time. I am extremely thankful to our beloved principal, Dr. Jayabhaskar Madam, for gracing this function. Your presence has added dignity and splendor to the occasion. You are a source of inspiration and a role model for future generations. Thank you, Madam. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our Superintendent of GMH, Dr. T. Bharati Madam, for honoring this occasion. I thank our respected warden of Men's Hostel, Dr. Chandrasekhar Sir, and warden of Women's Hostel, Dr. Mubarak Madam, for gracing this evening and presiding over this function. I also thank profusely for our beloved Dr. Madhavi Kondeti Madam, student coordinator, for your support and guidance. Thank you, Madam. A humongous thanks to our title sponsors of Russia 2019, Swiggy, a food delivery app, our co-sponsor, Maro, Gold Standard for PG coaching, Makeup Personal Studio 11, ITC Classmate, Chili's Restaurant, and MP Hospital, and all the beloved students of SVMC for making this function a huge success. I thank all the committee members of 2K15 batch for your relentless efforts in making this evening a spectacular one. Please give a big hand. Last but not the least, my thanks to all the non-teaching staff, parents, seniors and juniors, and everyone present over here for being with